What's the latest on Pepe's price and where might it be headed? That's the question on everyone's mind, isn't it? Let's dive right in. The current state of Pepe's price has seen some interesting developments recently. There's been a positive jolt in the short-term price, with a noteworthy 12% rise. This is particularly significant as it corresponds to a successful retest of the support level, which was lingering around 0.06 of a cent. That's some solid ground to stand on, and it gives Pepe a bit of a leg up. But as with any landscape, the terrain of cryptocurrency is far from flat. It's crucial to draw attention to some potentially concerning signs on the horizon. For instance, there's been a noticeable decrease in both trading volume and open interest. These are vital indicators of market activity and investor interest. A drop in these areas could signify a cooling off in market participation, which is certainly something to keep an eye on. Adding to these concerns is a decline in the number of new addresses and daily active addresses. These metrics are indicative of the vitality of a cryptocurrency, representing how many people are joining the network and how active they are. Seeing these numbers fall could potentially impact demand for Pepe. If fewer people are coming to the party and those who are already there aren't as active, that could spell a dip in demand, couldn't it? Despite these challenges on longer time frames, Pepe's price seems to maintain an upward trend. But could this be a calm before the storm? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this in the next scenes. Now let's delve into the market indicators and their implications. The market indicators are like the vital signs of the crypto world. They give us a peek into the health of a crypto asset, like Pepe in this case. Let's start with the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which currently stands at 46. Now, an RSI of 46 might seem like a middling number, but in the context of Pepe, it's a bit more nuanced. You see, an RSI below 30 is considered oversold and above 70 is considered overbought. So an RSI of 46 for Pepe suggests that the coin is neither oversold nor overbought, but rather in a state of equilibrium. Next, let's look at the Chaikin money flow, or CMF, which is indicating heavy capital outflows. The CMF is a handy tool that combines price and volume to show us the flow of money into or out of a market. A negative CMF, as we're seeing with Pepe, suggests that the market is experiencing more selling pressure than buying pressure, indicating that investors are pulling their money out. Now let's talk about the swing low at $0.0000581. This is a critical level for bears to overcome. If the bears push the price below this level, it could signal a shift in the market sentiment towards a more bearish trend. Moving on, we see that Pepe is currently in a consolidation phase. This is a period where the price is relatively stable, and it happens when the forces of supply and demand are nearly equal. This phase is often seen as a period of indecision, a tug-of-war between the bulls and the bears. Adding to this, the liquidation heat map highlights a concentration around $0.000006, $0.000062. This suggests that a significant number of traders are expecting the price to move around this range. With the market cap in BTC terms also in consideration, the analysis suggests possible price levels of interest at $0.000056. But what could this mean for Pepe's future? Given these market indicators and analysis, what could be the potential implications for Pepe's price? One might ask. Well, let's delve into it. The decrease in trading volume and open interest are key factors to consider. Trading volume refers to the number of units of Pepe being traded on the market. A decrease in trading volume could signify a reduced interest in Pepe, leading to lower demand. As for open interest, it represents the total number of outstanding contracts that have not been settled. A decrease in open interest could imply that fewer investors are entering into contracts, indicating a potential lack of faith in the coin's future performance. Now let's talk about the number of new addresses. This factor refers to the number of new participants in the Pepe market. A decline in the number of new addresses could suggest a dwindling interest in Pepe. Fewer new participants could lead to less demand for the coin, exerting a downward pressure on its price. Taking these factors into consideration, it's conceivable that we could witness a further dip in Pepe's price. The recent positive movement in Pepe's short-term price might be overshadowed by these underlying concerns. What's more, these indicators could potentially trigger a shift in trend towards bearish dominance. This refers to a market condition where the sellers, or bears, have more influence than the buyers, or bulls. In such a scenario, the price of Pepe could be expected to decline further as the bears take control of the market. However, it's crucial to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. While these factors provide some insight into potential future trends, they are by no means a definitive forecast. So what's the takeaway from all this? Clearly, while Pepe's short-term price showed positive movement, there are potential challenges on the horizon. As always, it's essential for investors to stay informed and make decisions based on a comprehensive understanding of the market. So, what's the final takeaway from all this analysis? Well, let's quickly recap what we've discussed so far. Our topic of interest was the meme coin, Pepe. Recent movements in its price showed a positive uptick, with the support level at 0.000062 being retested successfully. That's a good sign for those who are bullish on Pepe. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some concerns that we need to address. Trading volume and open interest have been on a decline. The number of new addresses and daily active addresses have also seen a decrease. These factors could potentially impact demand for Pepe, which in turn could affect its price. Pepe is currently in a consolidation phase. That's evident from the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, standing at 46 and the Chaikin money flow, indicating a significant capital outflow. The concentration on the liquidation heat map around 0.000006 to 0.000062 is another point of interest. In the grand scheme of things, Pepe has maintained an uptrend on longer time frames. A critical level for bears to overcome is the swing low at 0.00000581. Potential price levels of interest were identified at 0.000056. However, the analysis indicates a possible further dip in price and a shift in trend towards bearish dominance. But remember, market predictions are not set in stone, and this is just one perspective on the potential future of Pepe's price. Here's the most important part. All this information provided is the writer's opinion and not financial advice. It's crucial to do your own research and make informed investment decisions. While Pepe may be on an upward trend for now, it's always important to be wary and stay informed. Keep an eye on those market indicators and make your investment decisions wisely.